Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying compatibility and getting both devices on the same network. This is essential. Make sure your Android has the latest system updates and your Vizio is in Smart Cast mode or has casting enabled. Once done, open Settings on your phone and locate the Cast or Screencast option. Do not skip network checks because mismatched networks prevent discovery. Keep your phone close to the TV to avoid signal drops while the devices find each other. You now initiate the cast. Pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast or Smart View. Different Android skins label it differently. Your phone will scan. When your Vizio appears, tap it and watch the TV for a pairing prompt. If a PIN appears, type it on your phone. If permissions appear, allow them. Once connected, your phone's screen mirrors to the TV, videos, apps, and audio stream through the set. If performance lags, reduce other network traffic now. You finish by confirming audio is routed to the TV and adjusting aspect ratio for 16:9 content where needed. If the cast drops or stutters, close background apps and, if necessary, restart the TV or router. This clears common network or device glitches. If wireless attempts fail repeatedly, switch to a USB-C to HDMI adapter. It gives a direct, stable connection. Finally, remember that firmware mismatches often cause issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.